Hello Navs fam, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to apply the mayonnaise on my hair for the first time. I have read a lot about it. Some people have talked negatives, but more than negatives I have read positives about it. So mayonnaise being the like a deep conditioner for your hair. So I'm going to try it, like I said, for the first time, and we'll find out the result again together. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, so please subscribe to my channel and become the Nevs Fam member. So please go ahead and do that, and let's begin. So I have the, I don't know if you can see. Yeah, so I have the mayonnaise on this. It's a small soup bowl, and I have taken this much because I'm applying it for the first time and I don't know how much quantity will be good for my hair length. So that's why I have taken a little over a cup, and so you got to take according to the hair length. So if you have short, maybe you can take half, and then depends on how long is your hair. And firstly you have to take out the mayonnaise like something in a cup or bowl, something like this, so that, because when the mayonnaise is in the fridge it's cold, you don't want to put that cold. So let it come to the room temperature, and also use organic real mayonnaise. Don't use any flavored ones or with any artificial flavoring ones. Don't use those, just use pure mayonnaise. So we are going to apply this from root to the end, and we are going to keep this for, depending on how much time you have, you can keep minimum half an hour to maximum 1 hour. So you can keep depending on how much time you have in hand for applying. So other than the mayonnaise, I have the brush here. So for the roots I'm going to for my scalp and root, I'm going to use this brush, and afterwards I'm just going to use my hands. And yeah, so I'm going to protect my t-shirt and be right back. So mayonnaise consists of eggs, vinegar, natural oils, and other nutritional ingredients which moisturizes and nourishes the hair. And the vinegar present in mayonnaise helps to maintain a healthy pH balance, which in turn restores damaged hair. So if you want, you can also wet your hair with warm water in case you think you might have difficulty applying mayonnaise, but you can always wet your hair with warm water. I did not do that, but you can always go ahead and do it. I'm going to keep for about, say, 40-45 minutes, and then I'm going to take shower. So what you got to do is you have to just rinse it off very nicely with the warm water, because it has all those oils in it. So just wash it off nicely. I mean, rinse it with a nice warm water, and after that just apply shampoo like you normally do, and then wash your hair. That's it. I'm going to, even after wash, I'm going to just dry my hair, not do anything straightening, nothing, just dry my hair quickly just to show you, and also for me, because this is I'm doing for the first time. So for together, for us to see the results, how shiny it is or how soft it is. I'm not going to apply anything on my hair, so that you can see the real results. I am back after washing my hair. So I kept for about 40 minutes, yeah, and I can definitely see a lot of shine. I don't know if you can. I do feel soft when I run my fingers. So if you like this video, please comment below and let me know. Please subscribe, guys. It really means a lot to me. And follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. It's Nevs Lifestyle, and you will see my photo somewhere here, and do click, to subscribe. So I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye.